from that last clip, I didn't buy the car. It looked weird, but everything was straight. I just wanted to check out my other options, so I didn't get it. But today we got some goodies. So let's go to the car. And it's raining, so I'm still about to install these, what's they call, add-ons. It's something, ZL1 add-ons, yeah. So, yeah, but we got these, and we got, yeah, what are these called again? I'll show you the rest. Outlaws, we got Outlaws, and we got Super 10s right there. So, I'm planning on getting that installed today. So yeah, we cutting the mufflers. We gonna install these today. I don't care if it's raining or not, but this is getting installed. So let's do that. So it's called, my bad for the camera, but it's called ZL1 add-ons. Yeah. So I got them from Amazon. So I'll put everything in the link in the description below. Let's get this started. Well, I want to wash this one. I don't want this back here when I put the add-ons on. I gotta make an intro, but this rain been fucking up. Been fucking me up. So let's get started. These two are for the front and these are for the back. Let's get to it. Let's see how they go on. We got one more clip. It's kind of hard, but it's not. Actually, it's not hard at all. It just, you gotta use a lot of force. Get it to snap on. But yeah, that side is done. I'm putting these in because when I drive, I be hearing rocks hit my car. And I be inside like, damn, what the, yeah, type shit. These are definitely needed. So let's do the front. Oh, I dropped the phone, not the Pro Max. Phone, alright.
A few moments later.
So this is how it looks right now. This is how it looks. I gotta find another clip. It's under the car, like around this area. But yeah, this is perfect. So when you, say after you wash your car and you come home, you won't see mud just aiming to the back of the car. Damn, I think I'm bleeding. Oh, I'm straight. But yeah, they perfect. That's the front. This the back. Just enough clearance. So the car looked good on this side. So I just gotta do the other side and I'll get back to y'all. This how it came out. I just gotta screw the two bolts and it'll be all, but it came out perfect. So we at you know, Mavin's Discount Tires. We about to get this exhaust. Super 10s and Outlaws. So Super 10s in the mid, Outlaws in the back. We're gonna get the before and after. We're gonna get the before and after start. So y'all can hear when they pull the car in. I got y'all. Yeah, we be right back. We're about to bring that shit in. Let's see how this shit goes. Let's start. Let's see how this shit sounds. It sounds alright. It's not like that loud or nothing, but we gotta get that shit louder. We gotta get that shit louder. Yeah, so we getting Super 10s, bro. Super 10s and Outlaw. It's alright. That's it. That's it good. Sure. I had to get the ride. Had to. Yeah, you keeping those, yeah. I think so, yeah. So this getting cut off and this shit right here. Yeah. Would that fit? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all can have one, yeah, y'all can have one. Yeah, so when they start cutting, I put the camera back on. I don't want to make this shit too long, but yeah, get back to you. So that's how the car looks underneath. I don't think a lot of people see Challenger underneath, but basically what it look like. See? So I got an undercoating yesterday from Z-Bar. That's what I was telling you about earlier. Yeah, look at that, I say clean. Everybody was like, this a must. Like, I know everybody who got their Challenger, that's the first thing they did. Either that or tint. So they weld the Super 10s in and the Outlaws. This is how it looks. Oh, look right here. They extended the clip. That's it nice. And then resonators, Super 10s. Super 10s. Yeah. This is gonna be sounding like a demon, he said. So I'm gonna make sure y'all hear how that shit sounds. Oh shit, he putting it down. It look green from right here. So once again, we at Navis Discount Tires. Oh shit. Let's hear how this shit sounds.
Oh, we should close the door. Oh, that might break that. That shit sounds crazy off the bat.
Already, you didn't even hear it. That's... Oh shit, here we go.
Wait. I need a countdown.
There it goes. Oh yeah, it's over. It's over.
That
shit sound crazy.
Think it sound good or?
Sound crazy, yeah. That shit crazy right there.
2 hours later.
Get in the driver's seat so you can rev it a little bit. So we back from the muffler shop. There's a little drone, but it's alright. Like it's not bad. Hurry up, man, copyright. So we about to hear how this shit sound. Once again, Super 10s and Outlaws.
Ribbit?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so that's how that shit sound. Woo! Alright, get out. Yeah, so so that's how it sounds.
Hold on, let me leave it. Hit that. Woo! That's it. Hold on. Y'all peep that? This shit loud as a bitch.
But yeah, that would be the end of the video, man. Please subscribe, like, and share. We trying to get up there. There it goes. Oh yeah, it's over.